know that feeling when you want to join the henna trend on TikTok and you sit at night to draw mehndi on your hand? Well, today I am showing you an easy and beautiful design you can create yourself. Welcome back to my channel everyone. Let's get started with this simple floral mehndi design, starting from two gorgeous flowers and working our way up to the fingers. First, we'll start by creating the two big flowers in the center of the hand close to the wrist. Begin by drawing a small spiral in the center of each flower. Around the spiral, make rounded petal shapes, layering them in two rows to give a fuller look. Make sure both flowers are aligned slightly diagonally to create a flowing effect. Next, connect the flowers with small lines leading upward. Now, in between the flowers, draw some small leafy vines. To do this, make small C-shaped curves stack on top of each other, facing opposite sides like a chain. Next, connect the flowers with small delicate dots leading upward. Now draw the same flower at the side of the index finger. Continue adding a dotted trail from the vine leading toward the middle of the hand towards the index finger. Next, draw some leafy vines heading to top of the finger. Around the finger joints, add a small circular dot pattern to give it a neat, detailed finish. Now let's work on the fingers. On the middle finger, draw a series of dots forming a line. In the center, make a beautiful star or diamond shape by extending small lines from a central rod. For the ring finger, a small floral design with dangling elements is drawn near the first joint. Lastly, on the pinky finger, keep it simple with just a few minimal strokes or a tiny leaf shape. And that's it, a simple yet stunning floral mehndi design perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below which design you want to see next. See you next time.